Hello everyone, welcome back. It's been a busy weekend, so I haven't been able to edit a video properly, but I just wanted to share with you where I'm at with the Super Cheap Auto Falcon. Literally a matter of minutes ago, I was able to fire the engine up for the first time in many months, and I just wanted to share what the result was because we have had a lot of people asking. As you know, we've been chasing a fuel leak with this engine, and it's been leaking out where we thought was the base of the trumpets. The base of the airbox is broken, the base of the trumpets were getting pretty sad, to the point that the old system was araldite in or urethaned in, so it did need a little bit of work. So as you can see, what I've ended up doing is taking the airbox off completely, or the base of the airbox. I cut some aluminium plates, I secured them to the base of the trumpet, and just made a little gasket that sits between the base of the trumpet and the manifold, so the throttle body, so I can start the engine knowing that that base of the trumpet is now sealed, and then investigate where the fuel leak's coming from. Good news is the leak has reduced by about 80%. The bad news is it's still leaking, and I believe it's coming out of one of the rear banks or one of the rear throttle bodies out of the throttle shaft. So to the point that it was running on the ground, it's not doing that anymore, but it is still a significant enough leak that it needs to be investigated. So as I said, this has only just happened a matter of minutes ago. I just wanted to put this video together because I won't have time tonight to edit up the normal Sunday night update. But here's some footage of the car being fired up for the first time in many months, and I'll get a video together and keep you updated. So thanks again for your interest and support. We'll speak with you soon.